In this video, we'll be changing the battery in your Audi A6 key fob, going through it step by step. It is a very easy process that you can do yourself at home. It'll just take a couple of minutes. All you'll need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery to replace the one that's already in there. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, or you'd like to get one online, you can go check out the first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. Now, what we want to do to get started here is flip this thing over. You can see there's this back panel. We're just going to pry that off by finding the slot in here. So under this key ring, there's just a little opening. You can put your flathead in there and pry the back right off. Now in here, you can see the battery, and right here you have a space to pry the battery out. It's going to be difficult to use a regular size flathead for that. If you have something lying around, like anything like a paper clip or whatever, you're just going to go in there and pry it off. I'm going to be using this small flathead screwdriver just because it works best for me. And if you have something that's the right size, you just get right under there and pry it out safely without damaging the battery or your key fob. So if you don't have something and you wanted to get something like this, I'll put this in the description. It's just a little set of flatheads that I personally use, and it's pretty cheap. It's on Amazon as well. I'll just show you that one more time. All we're doing is going in this hole and prying the battery out. So go ahead and grab your new 2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side is facing up. Just slide it into place. Push it down so that it sits flat in there. And now we can just put the back right on there, snap it into place, and that's it. You can try to make sure that the light is turning on. That means you did everything correctly, and that's all it takes. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment, and if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel, and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.